Bonjour et bienvenue. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce numbers in French. Before diving into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you're updated with every new video that comes in, and like this video and throw a comment in the comment section below. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So we'll start with pronouncing 1 to 10 in French. 1 is called as un, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll start with it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After learning from 1 to 10, let's see how we pronounce 11 to 20 in French. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Starting again from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now that we have learned how to pronounce 11 to 20, let's learn how do we call 21 to 30 in French. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Starting again. Repeat after me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we are through with 1 to 30 in French. Let's move ahead and see how to say from 30 to 50 in French. 30 is said as 30, so 31 is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 40 is said as 40. So from 41 it will be like 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. From 51, it's 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 is called as 60. So from 60, 61, 61 is called as 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now here you would see a change in pattern. Till 69 it was the same, but 70 is not 70, it's 70. If 70 is 70, what would 71 be? Any guesses? I'll tell you. 71 is 71, 72, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Now what is 80? 80 is not 61. No, it is 80. Yes, counting from 1 to 69 remains in the same pattern, but after 70, the pattern changes. Now we know what 80 is called in French. It's 80. So any guesses what 81 is called in French? Did you think? No, you didn't guess it right? Let me tell you. 81 is called 81 in French. Similarly, 82 is 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90 is called 90. And here we are done with the counting from 1 to 100 in French. Let's do it all again in one go. All you have to do is repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Félicitations! We are through with numbers in French from 1 to 100. All you have to do is listen to this video, practice this at home, and you will surely be pro in saying numbers in French. And with this, we come to an end of this lesson. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, throw a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sim. And I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir!